AI browsers are everywhere right now. They can answer questions, summarize pages, and even help you complete tasks automatically. On the surface, they look like the future of the internet. But there's a serious problem most people don't realize until it's too late: privacy. Every search you make, every prompt you type, and every page you spend time on can be logged, stored, and analyzed. Some AI browsers go even further by watching how you interact with websites and learning from that behavior in the background. The more I researched this space, the clearer it became that convenience often comes at the cost of control. So I started asking a different question. Is there an AI browser that gives you powerful features without spying on you? That's when I discovered Neo Browser, backed by Norton. Introduction: what Neo Browser is all about. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you care about productivity, AI tools, and online privacy, this video is for you. Neo Browser is not just another Chrome alternative with AI features added later. It's an AI native browser, meaning intelligence is built into its core design from day one. Neo focuses on three main things: helping you stay in flow, reducing distractions, and giving you full control over your data. Instead of forcing AI into your face, Neo works quietly in the background and steps in only when it's actually useful. Let's walk through how it works step by step. Neo Dashboard: clean, calm, and focused. When you open Neo for the first time, the interface immediately feels different. There's no clutter, no overwhelming menus, and no noisy pop-ups. Everything is centered around a clean workspace. At the center of the screen is Neo's Smart Prompt Bar. This single input box replaces traditional search, chat tools, and extra extensions. You can type a question, paste a website link, upload a file, or start a conversation with Neo instantly. Neo also supports voice input, so if you prefer speaking instead of typing, you can simply use the microphone icon. In the settings area, you can customize widgets like the clock, weather, feed, and layout, allowing you to shape your workspace exactly how you want. AI search that understands context. Neo's AI search doesn't just return links, it understands intent. For example, if you ask Neo to compare two laptops, it doesn't just show articles. It creates a structured response with performance comparisons, battery life insights, and key differences laid out clearly. Instead of opening multiple tabs and jumping between sources, you get the answer directly inside your browser. This makes research faster, cleaner, and far less frustrating, especially when you're working on something time-sensitive. Reading and summarizing your own files. One of Neo's most useful features is its ability to work with your own documents. You can upload PDFs, text files, or other supported documents directly into Neo and ask it to summarize them. Within seconds, Neo scans the document and produces a clear breakdown of key points and important sections. This is extremely helpful for students, creators, and professionals who deal with long reports or research papers and don't have time to read everything line by line. Peek and summarize before you click. Neo helps you stay focused while browsing. When you hover over a link, a small Neo icon appears next to it. With one click, you can preview the page or generate a short summary without opening a new tab. This feature alone can save a huge amount of time. You no longer need to open 10 tabs just to find one useful article. Neo lets you decide what's worth your attention before you commit to it. Writing assistant built into the web. Neo also acts as a writing assistant wherever you type online. Whether you're replying to emails, filling out forms, or writing comments, Neo can help improve your wording. You can ask it to rewrite text to sound more professional, more friendly, or more concise. All of this happens directly on the page you're already on, without copying and pasting text into another AI tool. Smart tab organization and workflow. Neo automatically organizes your tabs based on what you're doing. Tabs related to entertainment, research, productivity, or shopping are grouped together intelligently. Inactive tabs can be collapsed, and clutter is reduced without you having to manually manage everything. This keeps your workspace clean and helps you focus on the task at hand instead of fighting tab chaos. Personalized feed without ads or noise. Neo includes a smart feed that keeps you updated on topics you care about, such as technology, AI, or finance. Instead of flooding you with clickbait or ads, Neo delivers clean summaries and relevant updates. You can preview content, read short summaries, or dive deeper only when you choose. The feed feels informative and calm, not overwhelming. Privacy first, backed by Norton. This is where Neo truly separates itself from other AI browsers. Neo is backed by Norton, a trusted cybersecurity company, and privacy is built into the browser's architecture. Neo does not sell your browsing data. It does not track you for advertising. It does not silently train external AI models using your private activity. Any memory or personalization feature requires your explicit approval, and everything Neo remembers is visible and removable. In short, Neo gives you AI assistance without taking away your control. If you want the power of an AI browser, but don't want to give up your privacy, Neo Browser is a strong option to consider. You'll find the official Neo Browser link in the description below, where you can request access and download it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more AI and tech content, and let me know in the comments what you think about AI browsers. Would you switch to one like Neo? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.